How to verify your age on your Google account. Google may ask you to verify your age if your account does not meet requirements. So let's go through the process step by step. So you must be at least 13 to manage your own account. If you're younger, parents can set up family link supervision. You can verify using a government ID, credit card, or in some regions, a selfie verification. So choose the method that works best for you. So upload a clear photo of your passport, driver's license, or national ID and make sure your name and birth date are visible. Sensitive details can be blocked out. If you're doing credit card verification, enter your credit card details. Google may place a small temporary charge, which is refunded after verification. So most reviews finish within 24 hours. If flagged, you have 14 days to verify before your account is disabled. So after 30 days, it may be deleted permanently. Uploading a government ID is the fastest way to verify your age. Credit card works too, but may take longer. Parents of under 13 users should use Family Link, and that is how to verify your age on your Google account.